Hi folks, I'm going to walk you through today's math lesson, which is on word problems. So as usual, we have one addition and one subtraction word problem. Our code for our Nearpod lesson is ONWVX. ONWVX. So parents, if you can help them access the app with that code, or nearpod.com, which is how I do it so you can see it on the screen. So you could just go to nearpod.com, enter the code. If you have a different teacher, they may give you a different code to do the same lesson. Okay, so you're joining a session, you're putting your name in. I put my name, you put yours. Obviously it'll look different. If you put your name, then I can see all the hard work you do. When you're done, hit join session. So for word problems, it does involve us counting on the screen. I know that it can be hard to count on the screen, guys. I feel for you. But you know that I like when we label our work so that we don't make any mistakes counting. So try your best. I know it's hard to write on the screen. My handwriting's not great on the screen either. Okay, so we read this week about the coronavirus and how the coronavirus is changing lots of things for us. So one of the things that it did is it canceled school. So the governor of New York is a leader in our state, and he decided there's no school right now because it's more important to keep everyone safe. So it says, fill in the blanks, solve each word problem. On Monday, a leader canceled blank events, just like our leader canceled events in New York. So we need to count the day. Sorry, this is a symbol for event. So we're going to count 1, 2. I labeled, and now I count just to make sure it's right. 1, 2. So we're filling in the blank. Right here we have 2 events that were canceled on Monday. Okay, now we have to count how many events were canceled on Tuesday, because it says on Tuesday, the leader canceled blank events. So first label, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when we add, I know we're adding because of this symbol right here. When we put it in the calculator, sometimes we say plus, but plus and adding are the same thing. When we add, we're going to have a bigger number. How many events did the leader cancel altogether? Okay, what do I have here? I have my handy dandy pens. Okay. Here's going to be the 2 events that he canceled on Monday. 1, 2. Then on Tuesday, he had to cancel 5 events. So here are my 5 events Tuesday. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Taking after my friend Erin and using pens to add. Okay, so if I'm adding them up, I'm counting all of them together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 altogether. If you don't have something that you can count in front of you, you could always count all the events on the screen, just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's whatever works best for you. Okay. When you're done, the work that I need to see is 2 plus 5 is 7. This means equals. 2 plus 5 equals 7. When you're done with the page, hit submit. We always have 1 addition and 1 subtraction problem. So we already did our addition. Here's our subtraction problem. Okay. Fill in the blanks, solve each word problem. On Wednesday, I did blank classes online. You're doing your classes online too, right now, and I'm really proud of you. So on Wednesday, I did blank classes online. First, I'm going to label, then I'm going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It might be easier for you to touch the screen to count, and that's okay. On Wednesday, I did blank classes online. 6 is how many we counted. So I put 6. Can you put 6? On Thursday, I did blank classes online. Okay, first label, then count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we labeled, now we count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you can use items again, like we have paper clips here. But first I'm going to show you how to do it on the screen because you always have the screen right in front of you. So if I'm subtracting, the first thing I'm going to do is erase this so it doesn't get confusing. Okay, now I'm going to go back. And I'm going to go to my one that has more. So 6 has more, this number on the top. And I'm going to see, instead of crossing out on the computer or on a piece of paper, instead of taking them away, because you can't take them away, I'm just going to cross them out. So I have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to cross out 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now that 4 are gone, we're going to see how many are left. So I have to count how many are left. I'm going to label 1, 2, and now I'm going to count 1, 2. 6 minus 4 equals 2. So I'll show you with my paper clips. So I got 6 paper clips in my hand. 7 because I won't disconnect. Hold on. I have 6 paper clips in my hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to put 4 back into my container. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many do I have left? 1, 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. When you're done, hit submit. And that's the end of our adding and subtracting word problem for today. Thanks so much for working so hard, guys.